Hello and welcome to this new video. As you can see, I've got a dashboard here which is vibe coded. I don't know how to code, I don't know how to design, I never designed a thing in my life. I just talked to AI and I got results like this. Now in this video section, which will be called One Man Business, I will be building a business from scratch and completely showing you the whole process of automating every single step there is. Let's get to the video. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do, once you open up Claude Code, you download it, first check if you've got the subscription. If you do have the subscription, you can use Claude Code up here, choose it. And we need to create a folder which will be a foundation for all of this. Since Claude Code uses locally, it's not like ChatGPT, it works locally with our files. So let's go to my folder, Claude Code, let's create a new folder and let's call this One Man Business idea. Amazing, now we choose it, we select it, and now this chat has access to our folder, it can create things in there. Okay, second thing that we need to do is obviously figure out the name for our app. Our app, the idea that I have is it will be a porn recovery software, so help people stop with porn, since I believe it is a huge disease and we need to stop it. Okay, so let's write a simple prompt. Amazing, now let's send this off. It will obviously create a quick database of 10 names for us. Then what we need to check is if the names that it comes up with aren't already taken, since that's a pretty big problem. Now obviously I can already see that most of these will be taken, like Rewire is 100% used, Resist is 100% used, Clarity is 100% used. So let's go back. Amazing, now it will make a quick research for us and find some nice names that are available, because these aren't really good. Daybreak was that, Still Point, Reclaim 100% taken, Clear Mind 100% unhooked for sure, Threshold, Quietfire, yeah, those are not good. So let's give it a few seconds, I will probably cut the video here and come back to you once it's done. Okay, amazing. Now what we've got is a couple of names that are actually available. From these, I like the Urgeless, that's kind of good. We've got the Quiet Twin, Riseback, Manuel, and Stillforge. I would 100% go for the Quiet Twin. This sounds like the best one, or Riseback, sorry about that. I would 100% go with the Riseback. Urgeless, we don't want to promise this will be urgeless because it probably won't be. So yeah, amazing, we've got the name. Now in this video what I want to do is build the full UI. We will not be focusing on any functionality in this video, so let's build the UI. Okay, so let's build the prompt now that we've got the name. And since this is a live walkthrough, I will obviously be building the prompt live, though I don't want you to expect me to build a whole huge amazing prompt myself. Obviously we are not going to do that. So let's create a new chat, let's copy the name, let's create a new chat, send over the name. In this new chat we don't want to choose our folder, it's absolutely useless. And let's write a simple prompt, so act as a prompt engineer. We want to be specific, obviously whenever you are building a business, and mostly when this is a startup, we don't want to build an app that is for all of the focus out there, because obviously everybody is doing that. We've got Opal, and we've got much bigger startups with much bigger fundings. We want to be focused down, that's what is our advantage, and we will be focusing on pornography, since, I had trouble with it, I know, it's embarrassing, but let's come clean. Everybody has trouble with it. So yeah, we want to focus down, niche down, that's what we are doing here. Okay, so we gave it some context, we gave it what it should do. Now craft a prompt that I can paste Claude, and we'll generate an amazing UI for you, both for mobile app and web app. Obviously we want both of these. I will start with iOS and not do Android once we get to the functionality at the start, but web app is absolute must. Okay, and the last thing, also we will paste our example of the UI for our Claude AI agent. Okay, now while this is happening, you will probably ask some questions to us, so let's wait here for a few seconds. But if it will not, we'll go to Google or to Chrome and we will check some stuff out. We basically want to find the best UI that we will use here. Obviously, okay, this is straight to building, so let's go to our Google. Now, you have millions of websites for this. What I like to use is Dribble. It's an amazing one. Then if you want to be more specific and more with actual prompts and some interactive stuff, I like to use 21 Sata. I don't know how to pronounce that. Basically, this is really great if you want to get down to the specifics, so we'll probably use this in another video. We will go to the specifics of the UI. For example, if you want to build something like this, some interactive animation, obviously it looks amazing. You can just click here, copy the prompt if you are logged in, and you can just send over the prompt to Claude Code and it will do all of the stuff for you and come out with this. So 21 is amazing, but for this example we just want to use Dribble. Now we can search up for either dashboard or what I would do is web app. That's a better option. Now let's just click here that we are a human. Beds. Okay, let's continue. Amazing. Now what we don't want to do is pick something like this, something super confusing, something super futuristic, because obviously we are building a simple, soft and clear software. It should be modern and it should obviously be inspiring, but nothing crazy. I love this one. This looks like pretty good. Even though it is a financial web app, this one looks amazing. So I'm gonna keep that one in here. Now let's move down a bit and see if we have something even better. I don't think we'll find anything better. That one looks pretty damn good. This one is okay, but that's more for some business niche, I would say. And this one is also good, though I would probably use this one as a web site, not a web app. And yeah, I don't like these ones that much. So for now, let's pick this one. We can just simply screenshot it like this. Just want to make sure we are recording. So we just screenshot it, we go to Claude and we paste it over. Okay, now let's find something even more ideally. So let's search up dashboard. Okay, and let's see if we've got something better here. This looks cool, but I don't think it would fit our scenario at all. This one looks also pretty good. So it's the health industry. Let's go down a bit more. Yeah, I think we chose the best one, really. I think the one we chose is amazing, though I would maybe send this over as we can do this as some sort of a health animation, but I would do this with a brain. Okay, so once we've got them here, we can also take the prompt and let's send it over. Amazing. Now this will build a UR for us. I'm not sure if I pasted over our name. Yes, RiceBake. Okay, so yeah, this is pretty much all we need. Now when I click enter, it will start building our dashboard. Though what I want to do is make a few changes. In the examples forwarded, I want you to style our whole app like the first example green one, and I want you to build some small section in the home page with the left style, not using the heart, but using a brain 3D model that will showcase health of our brain. This could be a pretty good interactive thing, since pornography really breaks down your brain. Now let me go to 21 first and try to search up some brain model. so you could get it straight away from here. Yeah, I don't think so. We'll find something like this. And let's try to push that in here. So brain. Okay, I like this one for example. This is a good one. So we can copy this and send it over. Yeah, nothing there. Yeah. Okay, so let's send it over. Forward this overall 4-star first one on the first image. Amazing. Now let's just click enter and this will create our whole thing. Though a little mistake that we did is we don't want to do it in this chat but in the chat from here because we've got our folder there. I apologize, this is my mistake. Let me send it over. Amazing. Now once we've got this we can click enter and we'll start to build in our folder which is the one-man business, I think. Yeah. Now this will take a couple of minutes, so I will just stop the video now and come back to you once it's done. Okay, great. So we've got the output and it seems like it is fully done. It is warning me about some error that happened, but I mean if it fixed it, I don't know why it's warning me about it. And you can see the preview on the right, but obviously this isn't good for us, it isn't really interactive. This is just there for you. I don't really like it. So what you want to do is host locally. It's completely free, and you don't need nothing for it. No MCP, no integrations. I mean, just host locally, and we'll host locally through your computer. The only trouble with this is when you turn your computer off, it will just stop working. Now this might take a while again, so I will come back once it's done. Okay, so we are back and this is working. We've got it locally hosted. Now all we need to do is just click on the HTTP, or you can just copy the URL and send it over to your Chrome. Here we've got two options. We've got the mobile version, just like we asked for, and we've got the web version. We can see it also created a logo for us. Okay, I'm not gonna complain about that. And we've got two modes, one dark and one not dark, though it seems like the white one is not working, or the light one. Okay, we can see that we've got some urge thing in here, already functional, reached out as the win. Obviously we're going to change this completely. No copy is good here. I don't really like it, it's completely done with AI, you can see it. So we're going to change that, but for the preview it looks pretty good. We can see this is a bit out of movement. Control mode. Dopamine balance, baseline reset, sensitivity, craving load, relapse risk, focus time. Yeah, I would completely delete these because we have no way of really tracking them. I don't think these are good functionalities. Maybe this reward system, this could be good, but running that control and mood is not the best. So we'll make sure to delete that. Recovery momentum, this is good. Daily check-in, how are you feeling tonight? This is also good, though the dashboard is super huge, so let's go. Okay, then what else we've got here? Not much. Okay, let's check out the streak. Okay, this looks good. This looks good. Blocker modes. Here we've got auto content filter. This and that. Okay, we'll probably have to change this up once we are doing it actually functional, because the blocks aren't this easy, and we'll probably have to add some. We'll have to add some tutorials on how to set this up. Though other than that, I mean, the UI is looking pretty good. We can click stuff on and off. We get the notification. Then we've got the coach. Okay, so coach is looking good. We've got a new logo for the coach. Great, but what I cannot see is the library anywhere in here. So it completely forgot about the library. Also add the library section. Or maybe we forgot about the library, or I forgot to edit the prompt. Let me see real quick. No, it completely forgot about the library. You forgot to add that section. Okay, now let's send this over. While we'll be making changes, let's also check the web dashboard. Okay, the web dashboard is looking much better than the one on the mobile phone, though still this doesn't look as good since obviously it's out of alignment. Quick quote, yeah, I like that. Rewiring journey, this isn't really that good. Oh, this is pretty cool. So how are you feeling tonight? Okay, I like that. Hi Alex, great. And this would be the library, I guess. It is in the web, as we can see. Okay, this looks good, though obviously we want to have actual thumbnails in here, not just emojis, but we'll take care of that once we are working on the functionality of this. Foundation urges, reboot, relationship stories, and we've got a search bar. Yeah, I like the UI of this. We also can track what we've already read and where we are. That's pretty cool. AI coach is the same, blocker modes are the same, streak is the same. Clean for, yeah, I wouldn't really say clean, that's pretty aggressive to say, but other than that, it's pretty nice. I mean, when you look at this, it's an amazing UI, right, for the web. Okay, so let's give it another few seconds and I will come back to you once it's done. Okay, amazing, so it seems like we've got the update and our Claude Code, it gives another answer. So let's just refresh the localhost for any news. And we can see it is a bit shorter, which I 100% like. We don't have the big urge button, though we'll want to make it a bit bigger, obviously, because it's urge. Or we have it here, that's good. And in this section, we only have the willpower. So resist rate, best streak, urges resisted, willpower score. Yeah, I like this because we can track all of these, not like the ones before. Okay, and let's check the craving section. So craving load low, urges this week 6. Peak risk time, this is good to know. Trigger free, 9 days, amazing. And then we've got the quote here. This is all good. How it's measured, when you click on this, modeled from your logged urges, amazing. And other than that, I think nothing should change. Okay, breathe, log win. This is pretty interesting. I didn't even say that it should do this, but it did it. And then the library should be here. Yes, so we've got the library also integrated for our phone. Shield, this is the blocker. Coach is the same and the streak is the same. Now let's go to the web app. I hope it also changed, yes, the brain in the web app, and it actually shows where is the section of the brain. This is amazing. I didn't even notice this before. So basically the willpower is up here in the frontal lobe and the cravings are probably in the back of the head. Well, that's pretty interesting. I don't even say it should do this. So the Claude is so damn amazing and so damn smart at this point. Okay, so we've got a functional, well, not functional, but we've got a UI that is good for preview. It looks amazing, but all of this is completely useless for us if it isn't functional and if it isn't really helpful. So that's what we are going to do in the next video. Stay tuned, thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.